Bumblebees are among the most familiar and beloved insects in the world. Known for their fuzzy bodies, gentle buzzing sound, and important role in nature, bumblebees are more than just cute creatures. But have you ever wondered exactly what bumblebees do? From pollinating plants to building nests and supporting entire ecosystems, bumblebees play vital roles in our world. Let's take a closer look at their lives and why they're so important. One of the most important things bumblebees do is pollination. When a bumblebee visits a flower to collect nectar and pollen for food, it accidentally transfers pollen from one flower to another. This process allows plants to produce seeds and fruit. Bumblebees are especially good at pollination because of a behavior called buzz pollination or sonication. They vibrate their bodies while on a flower, shaking loose pollen that might otherwise stay stuck. This makes them incredibly valuable for crops like tomatoes, blueberries, and peppers. Without bumblebees, many of the foods we enjoy would be harder to grow. Bumblebees feed on nectar, a sugary liquid inside flowers, which gives them the energy to fly and work. They also collect pollen, which is full of protein, and take it back to their nests to feed developing larvae, baby bees. Each bumblebee carries the pollen in special baskets on their hind legs called corbiculae. These little pollen pockets can hold impressive amounts of pollen, which they transport back to their colonies. Bumblebees live in small colonies that are usually much smaller than honeybee hives. A typical colony may have only 50 to 200 bees. In the spring, a queen bumblebee who has survived the winter starts a new nest, often underground in abandoned rodent burrows or in piles of grass. She lays eggs and raises the first generation of worker bees, who then take over the foraging and nest-building duties. The colony grows throughout the summer. In the fall, new queens and males are produced. After mating, only the young queens survive the winter and start new colonies the following year. Bumblebees do make a type of honey, but not in the same large quantities as honeybees. Their small colonies don't need huge stores of honey to survive because most of the bees die off in the winter, leaving only the queen. The small amount of honey they make is used as food for the colony. Bumblebees are essential for healthy ecosystems and food production. By pollinating wild plants and crops, they support biodiversity and help ensure we have fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Unfortunately, bumblebee populations are declining in many parts of the world due to habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. Protecting them is crucial for the health of our planet. Bumblebees are gentle, hard-working insects that spend their lives pollinating plants, collecting food, and supporting their colonies. Their role as pollinators makes them vital for nature and for our food supply. Next time you see a bumblebee buzzing around flowers, remember how important it is and how much the world depends on its hard work.